In this video, we will work on random number generator in TensorFlow. This will help us generate random number from different distributions such as normal, binomial, uniform, etc. Let's start working on it. Import TensorFlow STF. First, we will generate random numbers from normal distribution. We will make a variable and store seed in that, and after that we will draw random numbers giving the variable some shape such as rows and columns. Our variable is g. Generator dot from seed. In seed you have to give some numbers. You can put any number here, and once you have created this variable, now you have to say g dot normal, because we are drawing random numbers from normal distribution, and we also have to give shape. Let's say 2 by 3, 2 rows and 3 columns. We got our random numbers. These are the 2 rows, first row and second row, and these are the 3 columns, first column, second column and third column. This is how we can generate random numbers from a normal distribution. We will make a variable samples, and in that we will store randomly drawn categorical numbers. We will use the method categorical to draw numbers, and we are using this method log to give equal probability to each category. Suppose we are having two categories 0 and 1, so the probability of it being 0 is 50% and the probability of it being 1 is also 50%. This is what we are defining here, 0.5, 0.5. And how many samples we want to draw? We want to draw 5 samples. We can see we have got 5 numbers, 1 1 0 0. We can also generate random numbers from gamma distribution. We have to use the method gamma. Here we will use the method gamma. We want 10 rows and 2 columns. We got the result. We have 10 rows, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 2 columns. This is first one and this is the second one. We will draw some random samples from Poisson distribution. We have to use the method Poisson. We want 10 rows and 2 columns. These are the numbers generated from Poisson distribution. We have got 10 rows. These are the rows and these are 2 columns. We will draw some sample from a uniform distribution also. We will use the method uniform. We have to just give the shape here. We want 2 rows, and let's print this. We got 2 rows, 0.22 and 0.50. These are the random numbers generated from uniform distribution. This was a short tutorial on random number generator in TensorFlow. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you like my tutorial, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.